In this video we will look at Auto Auction Rebuild's YouTube channel and see how much money he is making. Now let's get started. He created his channel since March 11, 2007. He has 468,000 subscribers. Until now total uploaded 4,216 videos. And now let's go over Auto Auction Rebuild's channel analytics. This is statistics views for Auto Auction Rebuild's channel. Daily views. 103,697 views. Weekly views. 725,879 views. Monthly views. 3,110,000 views. Total views. 192,916,000 views. Next, video performance on Auto Auction Rebuild's channel. This is the latest videos for Auto Auction Rebuild's channel. This video has gotten 21,000 views and 117,000 views. The estimated income Auto Auction Rebuilds with the latest videos. $84 and $468 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Auto Auction Rebuild's channel. This video has gotten 1,700,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Auto Auction Rebuilds with the most popular video. $6,800 since published on YouTube. Now how much money Auto Auction Rebuilds makes on YouTube. And this is the estimated income for Auto Auction Rebuild's channel. Estimated monthly earnings. $12,400. Estimated yearly earnings. $149,400. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Auto Auction Rebuild's channel. $771,664.